Think you've heard it all? These three unexplained sounds will make you question everything. In 1997, scientists recorded a massive underwater sound so powerful, they thought it came from a huge sea creature. But nothing that big is supposed to exist. So what was it? In 1977, a scientist detected a mysterious radio signal from space that lasted 72 seconds. It was so strange he wrote "wow" on the report, and we've never heard anything like it again. In many cities worldwide, people report hearing a deep, mysterious hum that never stops. Scientists can't agree on what's causing it, and only some people can hear it. What if you heard these? Which one creeps you out the most? Comment below. Like and subscribe for more mysterious facts.